So the history of our family business, a multi-generation family business. Today it still continues with my children and niece and nephew are in the business. So we're super excited, multiple-generation home improvement business. We start off looking for really good people, and we have an apprentice program. So we start off with, what's the character of the person that we're hiring and the qualities of that person. And then from there, with the industry, there's a gap in, people coming into the trade. So we've been, as an organization, super focused both on a regional level, a local level, and then nationally working with national apprentice programs to bring that to our company, which really does a lot for people wanting to get in a trade.
We take a lot of younger guys coming out of trade school, and they don't develop any bad habits because as soon as they come in, we put them through the program of learning all the best ways to do everything, all the manufacturer recommendations, and using all the right tools so they can learn the right ways to do everything and be successful for the going forward.
Trusting us to work in their home is such a great honor for us every day that they allow us to do that. So that's so incredibly important that, like the Better Business Bureau standards, we're responsive. We go above and beyond that. We answer on the weekends, everything we can do to make sure the customer has the smoothest process from the first phone call to the end of the installation to a year down the road if they ever need us. That's so incredibly important to us.
All of the people that work for us, they're local. They're people who we've either known them for a long time. Some of them started working with my dad 30 years ago. So they're local people, so we're giving the jobs back in the area, which is not something that you see very often in this industry.
We align with the values of Better Business Bureau, and think that that's super important for the success in the marketplace.